Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. This entire amount in my Phantom wallet was made from creating coins on chain in the past year. And I am not here to sell you a course or a paid group. I'm just here to show you how I make my money for a living every single day. So I will be doing a full-on meme coin deving tutorial showing you how I create my coins. Let's go. Now, first of all, you need to understand why deving meme coins is insanely profitable in 2026. And that's because we have nothing to lose and nothing to risk compared to trading. All we're doing as meme coin creators is finding narratives, launching a meme coin out of it, and then we just wait for people to buy in to just sell or supply right after, bro. Most of the coins on chain, when they pump, they will eventually dump, and we just do this over and over again, bro. From the very peak, we just sell or supply. That's it. That's how it is fully repeatable. And even if no one buys your coin, you can just move on to the next coin. Okay, and then the next coin after, and then the one after, and then one will go viral eventually. And that's why diving meme coins is so insane in the big 2026. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create coins, how to create a pool, and then how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video for completely free. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only. So do your own research, bro. It is all for educational purposes only. Cap! Now here's exactly where I make my meme coins to make thousands of dollars and to get the most amount of potential on my meme coins. I make my coins on coin.Launch.io, and here's exactly why. By making your coins on this launchpad, your coins are going to migrate instantly to Raydium, reaching thousands of people. So you guys have to stop launching on Pump.Fun and start launching on coin.Launch.io, or I could say Raydium. Okay, Pump.Fun is dead, so start launching here. Now, making a meme coin here is extremely easy. Just follow along. You have a couple choices. You could either create a coin from scratch. Now, if you have a viral narrative or anything in mind, you can make it here, just like Pump.Fun, but it's for Raydium, like I said. Or you can copy trending coins. I use this method every single day to make my money. It's my favorite method. You guys will see why. And yes, I will be doing a live example using this method, bro. So don't worry about it, bro. Basically, every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have good narratives and they're all insanely good on Pump.Fun. So what we are going to be doing is copying one coin here. Okay, it could be any coin back to Raydium to get some buyers for ourselves. You guys will see. Anyways, guys, let's actually copy a coin live on camera and let's see how much we can make, okay? So obviously I will be walking you through every single step of the way. Now connect your Phantom White, right? That's the first step. And now let's copy a coin. Me usually, bro, I just go for a random coin to copy. I don't pick a narrative, they're all good, just go for one, okay? So I'm gonna go for this one right here, click on copy to Raydium, your Phantom will show up, right? Ignore that block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be minted. And by the way, bro, that warning that you just saw is completely normal. Every Raydium launchpad has that warning. But anyways, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is really important because it will determine how much supply you have as a dev, and it will go to Raydium after the pool is created. Now for the amount of coins, right, click on 90%, click on that preset, that's perfect. For the dev buy for yourself, because you are the creator, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose it. You are going to get it back later, or at any moment that you want, you can get it back. But once you cash out at the end, bro, that soul will come back to you. Click on create pool. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then the coin will be actually live. And then now people will be able to buy in. Bang, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, now the coin is live. People can buy our coin. You have all your stats here. But yeah, let's go see the chart. Let's go see if people are buying in. It should start pumping soon. And as you guys can see, bang, it's pumping. We're already up a lot of money right here on this first candle. People are insta buying. Come back to coin launch, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're already up $300 in profits. And yeah, bro, now all you have to do is just let your coin pump. Let people see the coin, buy in, and yeah, bro, there's nothing else to do, bro. And yeah, just do not clip your profits right now. Do not sell anything right now. Just let your coin pump if it wants to go higher. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna be right back to cash out and to show you guys exactly how much I made. Alright guys, I am back. As you guys can see, our coin is healthy, it's getting a bunch of buyers, and that's exactly what usually happens on most of my coins. Like this right here is not really viral, it's like an average coin. But yeah, let's cash out, come back to coin launch, click on refresh, and as you guys can see here, bang, we're up $2.74 thousand within like 5-10 minutes. Now let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out of the coin. Bang! We just cashed out, guys, on our meme coin, and look, if I open my phantom wallet, bang! $2.7 thousand is in my phantom wallet. It's all there. Okay, no bullshit, no capping, no gatekeeping. It's all for educational purposes only. You might make more on each coin or less than me, but it does not matter. Just stay consistent. Launch, launch, launch. Coinlaunch.io will be linked down below. Peace out.